Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT based irrigation system with soil moisture sensor and temperature sensor. So here we are using two sensors for irrigation motor controlling system. This is the motor we are going to control through this electromagnetic relay, and this will get trigger pulses from the microcontroller based on the sensor's input. So we are using soil moisture sensor and temperature sensor. Soil moisture sensor will detect the moisture content inside a soil. When we dip that into the soil, it will measure the moisture content, and that will be continuously read by the microcontroller. And if the moisture content is less than the 45%, then automatically this motor will get switched on through this relay. And while we are running the motor, if is any dry run or any heating was occurred inside the motor, so we are going to place this temperature sensor inside the motor. Then based on these two conditions, whether it's a dry run or a motor getting heat up due to the short circuit or heavy load, then automatically the microcontroller will off the relay. Means to on this relay, we need to get the low moisture content and low temperature. To off the relay, high temperature or moisture content is more. Then these two conditions to be there to control the motor. So here the automation was achieved with the help of the two sensors and the relay, and continuously so-called sensors data will be uploaded to the Thingspeak by using the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and also so-called status continuously displayed on the LCD screen. So after you log into the Thingspeak cloud platform, we can see this page and just click on this IoT irrigation. So these are the previously uploaded sensors data while we are testing. So while scrolling, don't touch on the blue bar. So between that, above the blue bar and below this, above the graph. So this is the previous data, temperature. So when you click on this dot, we can see the date and time and the sensor value. Same for the moisture content also. So if you want to get the fresh data, if you want to erase the old data, then we can download that. For that, go to data import export, download the data and open. You can see the data on Excel sheet. So which consists of number of samples till now collected along with date and time. This is date and time and number of samples. 8 samples till now we have collected. First field one is going to be temperature. Second field is the moisture level in percentage, 0 to 100. After you took the backup, go to channel settings. So in this, just follow these steps. Don't do any other options. In channel settings, clear the channel. Data import export to download the data. Channel settings, clear the channel, then directly go to private view. So there we get the old data got erased, right? So now before switch on the kits, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So using your hotspot only, the system will upload the data to the Thingspeak. For that, configure the hotspot to project 6023 without any space, without any capital letter. Password should be 123456789 and band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After these three settings successfully done on the hotspots, on the data, and now you can on the power supply to the kits. So welcome message displayed on the LCD screen, and then after it will show the temperature and moisture content. As of now, the moisture content is 0%. That's why the relay got switched on and the motor got switched on. So you can see the one device is connected. Now stay on the screen. Now place this inside a moisture level. So whenever the moisture content is above 45%, then automatically the motor will get switched off. As you can see, the samples are uploading to the Thingspeak cloud platform. So the uploading frequency is it will upload the data to the Thingspeak for every 15 seconds of duration. In 1 minute, you will get the 4 samples. So that is the frequency for the Thingspeak only. We can't decrease that. So if you try to send the data before 15 seconds, it won't accept that and it won't plot on the Thingspeak cloud platform. So coming to the temperature readings also. So you can see the temperature increases. So coming to the normal condition, whenever the moisture is less than the 45% and the temperature is less than the 43 degrees centigrade, then only the motor will get switched on. As of now, temperature is satisfied if it is below 43 degrees centigrade and moisture is less than 45%. Then the motor is running now. Okay, so when I'm trying to increase the temperature, so when it is above 43 degrees centigrade, automatically the motor gets switched off to protect the motor from overheating or a dry run. and when it is coming to normal, it will check for the two conditions. The temperature should be less than the 45 degrees, 43 degrees centigrade, and moisture content less than the 45 percentage. If any one of these satisfied condition, if the above temperature or moisture is above, then the motor will switch it off, and we are going to get the continuous data streaming. So this data can be accessed from anywhere in the world just by logging to the Thingspeak, and we need to provide the hotspot along with data near the gauge. So in this mobile phone we have on the hotspot and data. You can log into the another mobile phone to the Thingspeak, and you can access that data from anywhere in the world directly.